Jason,
Something's in there.
something really loud, like about this big.
Kitty.
This big.
You know what?
Kitty.
I think it's my squirrel rocket.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That's
It's
what I'm
Rocket.
Yeah, also, Jason, that's the other thing I want you to do. You need to put in a picture of me on Facebook.
Okay.
If it's a squirrel, we'll go through the hole of the net, no?
You can put it in. Put that over the front of it.
Oh,
a bird.
something. It is a bird. How did the bird get in there? It is a bird.
It's a bird!
crow. It's a crow.
It's a good thing I had that net there. That guy was coming out.
It's a bird!
Oh,
And
a black crow. They're still trying to get
I
it.
told you it was a crow.
Ew!
Come on, Clara, get down here.
I'm filming.
Okay, okay. Great.
See him? Yep, he's right there.
What is it? A bird? Ew! It's gonna fly in our faces. Gross.
Quiet. Charlie's gonna try to scoop it up.
Think they'll bite you? I don't care.